Welcome to Portuguese for Nomads, Episode 12. I'm Sofia Mendez with Tiago Silva. Today, you'll learn useful Portuguese for fixing apartment problems, like a broken shower, leaking window, or flaky Wi-Fi, while protecting your routines and relationships as a nomad in Portugal and Brazil. Let's get started.
Quick scene for you. It's 6 a.m. You need a warm shower before a client call, and the water is cold. Your sleep, your energy, and your work are at risk. What do you say right now? Today, we'll give you 7 ready-to-use lines that keep things calm, clear, and effective.
Here's the promise. By the end, you'll be able to report a problem politely, ask for an ETA, offer a small solution, and calm a roommate, all in beginner Portuguese. We'll model friendly tones so you don't sound rude, and we'll give Portugal and Brazil variants when needed.
Okay, let's learn. Phrase 1 is the basic report. O chuveiro não está quente.
The shower isn't hot. The shower isn't hot. Use this when you need a direct but neutral report.
Phrase 2, Portuguese. A internet está muito instável hoje. English. The internet is very unstable today. Good for flaky Wi-Fi that affects client calls.
There's an infiltration na janela. Qual é o prazo para o conserto? What's the time frame for the repair? Use this to set expectations and protect your schedule.
Phrase 6. Portuguese. Posso ajudar com algo pequeno, como avisar o vizinho? English. Can I help with something small, like notifying the neighbor? This is useful to build trust and speed things up.
Sorry for the inconvenience. I appreciate the help. A polite closer that keeps relationships positive.
So, we'll add 2 quick variants. In Brazil, some people say, o chuveiro não está esquentando, instead of não está quente. In Portugal, both forms are fine, but beginners can safely use the neutral forms we taught.
Now, pronunciation practice. We'll slow each phrase down, syllable by syllable. Repeat after us. Shadow our rhythm. Ready? First, o chuveiro não está quente. Say it with us. O chuveiro não está quente.
A internet está muito instável hoje. A internet está muito instável hoje. A internet está muito instável hoje.
Tem uma infiltração na janela. Tem uma infiltração na janela. Tem uma infiltração na janela. Breathe and keep it calm. Politeness is your best ally.
Pode enviar alguém, por favor?
Qual é o prazo para o concerto? Qual é o prazo para o concerto? Asking for a time frame protects your work schedule and sleep.
Posso ajudar com algo pequeno, como avisar o vizinho? This shows cooperation and speeds resolution. Quick connection to habits and income. Small home problems ripple into sleep, hygiene, and client reliability. If you lose an hour of sleep or a stable internet call, that costs you sleep, energy, and sometimes money. Using calm, clear language saves time and reputation.
And confidence matters. When you can report problems without sounding rude or helpless, you protect your routines, presentation, and dating or networking opportunities. That's why we teach phrases that are both polite and firm.
Now role play. I'll be the landlord first. Sophia will call. Sophia, you're the tenant. Use phrase 1 and phrase 4. Then ask for time frame with phrase 5.
Olá, bom dia. O chuveiro não está quente. Pode enviar alguém, por favor? Qual é o prazo para o concerto? Desculpe o transtorno. Agradeço a ajuda.
Hello. Good morning. Obliged to advise. Vamos enviar técnico hoje à tarde. Pode ser às 4. That reply shows a typical helpful landlord response. Then confirm time and follow up in writing.
Now, a roommate scene. I'm the roommate upset about noise. Tiago, show how to calm them using phrase 6 and 7.
Desculpa pelo barulho. Posso ajudar com algo pequeno, como avisar o vizinho? Desculpe o transtorno. Agradeço a ajuda. When you offer help and apologize, tensions drop fast.
Immediate practice, your 3-step micro-challenge for today. Step 1, record yourself saying 2 lines from this episode and listen back. Step 2, send a short message to your landlord or roommate with 1 phrase and a requested time. Example text. Hola, bom dia. O chuveiro no está quente. Pode enviar alguém, por favor? Step 3, set a 48-hour follow-up reminder to confirm the repair or escalate in writing.
Quick risks to avoid. Don't sound accusatory. Avoid shouting or long rants. If a repair is legally complex, document everything in writing and consider local tenant resources. We include a safe template in the show notes.
Recap 7 practical lines. Report the issue, ask for help, set an ETA, offer small collaboration, and close politely. Practice now. Send 1 message and protect your sleep and income.
For the downloadable Repair Phrases cheat sheet and the full beginner course with habit modules, check the show notes. The sheet includes Portugal and Brazil word variants and sample message templates you can copy.
That's it for today. Practice these phrases and habits this week. Remember, learn Portuguese, optimize yourself, connect deeper.